7 Sigma Off-Grid. Once upon a time, there was a guy who ran his mouth about being self-sufficient and having his own land. Decades later, he decided to buy 22 acres of raw land to build an off-grid homestead for himself and his family. He thought it would be a great investment and the perfect place to build his retirement dream home. But little did he know that 22 acres was a lot of land for a guy who spent his entire life in the city. There were trees to be cleared, rocks to be moved, wells to be drilled, septic tanks to be installed, solar power grids to be constructed, food to be grown, and wildlife to be dealt with. Now, some of you guys might think we're crazy for doing this. You might be right, but I don't give a shit. Build it while you fly it, baby. Rise of the 144s. Shout out to the ancestors. 7 Sigma Off-Grid. See all that? You take that in?
You ain't see what? I didn't see none of this shit. We've been out here several times. I'm not understanding. You not? Yeah.
You going with the wrong woman.
We're gonna have to pave all this.
It's like, 'cause I need the Amazon truck to be able to get it.
Stop playing. I need an estimate of how much it costs to pave this road.
What you gonna name your ranch? Hotep Lane. Hotep Acres. I just do really got this crazy ass sign. Naru Amenset Ranch.
Got a ranch with no cattle.
That sounds like some.
Got pit bulls.
As bad as I thought, but it's,
talking about,
I get you.
Yeah, like.
I thought it was super.
No, it's just got a bunch of jacked up blocks.
Underneath that tree.
Yep.
That's why I thought that tree crossed
like
it.
a dam. Wow.
Damn. It's what?
It's funny how after all this time you and me still stick by glue, yeah. After all of the crying, baby, after all those bad times, yeah, we deserve a little piece of dream. And right now it's our turn to shine. So yeah, I gotta come through for you, baby. I got something new for you, girl.
Place, what's his name? Snowden would hide out. Where is Snowden? In Caliente Mountain.
You stupid.
By the big tree. Oh, I don't see them more. This is just little. Oh,
Something moving.
box or something.
Yeah, I see it. That way, ain't it? Cause that's the curve, right?
I don't remember that.
Nope, this ain't the road.
It's a path or something.
I'm so right now.
My thoughts, my fantasy. It's like you read my mind. You see right through me. You supply all we need. It's so incredible. It's almost indescribable. Let's get carried away. Carried away, love. Let's get carried away. Carried away, love. Let's get carried away. Carried away, love.
That's that big rock y'all talked about, right?
I heard y'all talking about it. I didn't know what you were talking about.
Yeah, this whole right here is buildable. Yep. This is about like half an acre. Yep. Not as wide as I thought, but it is flat. Yep. I knew it was flat up here. Do it.
Triangle. Vagina power.
I'll be astral projecting.
This is cool right here.
Ain't it?
Don't cut this down. Little triangle.
I like this whole little spot. Damn. What you gonna do with all this?
Hella you can't even think of.
So we want to build something up here?
Yes, this is for indigo. Right here. These trees are already dead.
Up here.
From the ring coming out that well.
With her hair like this.
I'm gonna go this way.
Oh, you scared, Indigo?
Yeah, that was not the movement. That's cool that it's already fenced.
Only on two sides. We gotta fence the back to keep them cows off.
Yeah, but that's better than fencing the whole thing.
Yep.
Save money.
Yep.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool. I said I'm good, good. Just as long as I got you, you're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I affect you too. What could be going on? My friends, they just don't know. What is he smoking on? And I say nothing cause I don't smoke. I said I'm good, good, good. Just as long as I got you, you're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I affect you too. What could be going on? All my friends, they just don't know. But what is he smoking on? And I say nothing cause I don't smoke. It's just good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool. I said good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool, I'm good.
Nope, she look crazy, didn't she?
Yeah.
Look like hills have eyes.
Eyes, yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Look, the sign, Bigfoot.
Oh,
Right there.
that's funny. I ain't never seen that sign. I never seen that sign. See, you probably saw some Bigfoot. You like, y'all don't know what it is.
We're about to be out here.
7 Sigma. Off grid.